Lately, I've been seeing too many videos from IELTS teachers, or even self-proclaimed examiners talking about how to write band 9 IELTS academic writing task 2 essay, how to ace IELTS writing task 2, blah, blah, blah. But here's the problem. Most of them make it way too complicated. They use confusing phrases, destroy students' motivation, and often recommended the worst possible methods. As a result, students get lost. They don't know how to do and they fail the exam. Even though many of them are perfectly capable of expressing these essays verbally in English. Some could even reach this level perfectly quick if they were not overloaded with misleading advice from these bullshit people. Unfortunately, many teachers turn IELTS essay writing into some kind of uncomfortable mystical challenge. They make it look like climbing the mountain Everest. Oh, hallelujah. When in reality, it doesn't have to be this way. Why? Because it sells. It makes their courses look exclusive, their lessons necessary, and their books essential. Oh, yeah. So, but the truth is, I also say writing is not rocket science. And then today, I'm going to show you how not to write an essay and what actually works. You have probably heard things like, your essay must be 100% fluent. Something like that, right? Here's a grammar mistake. Second one. Or third one, you must use advanced words, idioms, collocations, connectors, academic transitions, but not too many. Your tone must be formal, but not robotic, neutrally, but not casual. What a capricious behavior. So you are left thinking, okay, what do I actually write? What allowed, what not? The truth is much simpler than they make it sound. I was writing task 2, whether academic or general. It is just about writing a clear, logical, and readable opinion piece. Okay? Nothing more. There are only two things you must focus on. First, clarity and flow. Write in a way that is simply easy to follow. Second one, simplicity and accuracy. Use correct grammar and avoid unnecessary complications. Sure, using advanced words can help, but remember, the examiner reading your essay is not a university professor. So they might even know every fancy academic word you are throwing in. So if you misuse advanced vocabulary, write overly complex sentences that confuse the reader, you will lose your points test. So simple but correct is always better than complex and wrong. Think about it. Do you want to spend years memorizing 500 or 5,000 advanced words you will never use again? Or would you rather master the ability to write clear, structured, and coherent essays with the vocabulary you already know? Yes. Do you want to get stuck in the trap of I can read but I cannot speak, or I can speak but I cannot write? No. The real skill is balance, learning to express yourself naturally in both speaking and writing. So, here is what no one tells you. Money works, right? So from band 5 all the way up to band 9, the key factor is the same: fluency, coherence, clarity. The more your essay flows and the easier it is to understand, the higher you score. Advanced vocabulary is not the magic ticket. In fact, throwing in random big words can break your tone and ruin your flow. What you need is a consistent tone, a logical structure, and a clear argument. That's all. Remember, you only have 40 minutes to write your essay. In that time, you must understand the question, form your thesis, come up with an idea, of course, write a logical essay that is easy to read. You don't have years to perfect this, and you don't need to do it. So you have just need a clear set of ready-to-use sentences, structures, some flexible vocabulary, and simple approach to mix all of them. That's all. So, the truth nobody selling expensive courses wants to tell you. IELTS essay writing is straightforward. It's not about memorizing hundreds of advanced templates or watching hundreds of YouTube videos. It's about understanding the structure, question, having a few go-to phrases, and sticking to a tone that fits your character, and then you can write a band 7 to 9 essay with far less effort you think. So let's dive in. In this video, I showed you the truth about IELTS Writing Task 2, the real, simple way to write essay to score high. No fluff, no unnecessary drama and trauma, So just clear basic example steps you can use right now, or just pay a fortune just to these fucking bullshit courses.